He has his.
Sir, I have. We're going to unwrap his
Turn off
foot.
the TV. I need to turn it up, but I turned it on, but I didn't know it needed to turn off. And I got my foot all the way. Can you do that?
Yeah, I'll turn it up. He's playing 2 games? You're going to play 2 games at the same time?
No, it's just I was waiting.
You what?
I was just waiting because I had to check this.
Oh, okay. So he's getting ready to play this one, but I have to turn it up. Okay. So he's playing this one. Anyway, we're going to put some ice on it, and we're going to look at it today. We haven't looked at it yet today, so I need 2 hands, so I'll be right back. Storm's foot this morning. Looks really good, Storm. It's still swollen, but it will just go down every day. He said it's really sore this morning, so he's already had some Advil. And we have some ice, so he's going to lay it on some ice while he plays his games in his little corner.
Do I have to leave it off?
We'll put it back on.
No.
Yeah. I'll put the wrap back on.
Right now?
Let's ice it, and then I'll put it back on, okay?
Okay.
He did walk without his crutches a little bit yesterday, and maybe that's why it's so sore today. I don't know.
It was hard, that's why. I was limping. It's always when it hits the ice, it's so hard.
Okay, we'll check on you in a little bit. Oh, but I'll turn your TV up first.
Oh, gosh.
Still
So-
my girlfriend.
No, wait. So Sam just made Steele cry by asking him how his girlfriend was. And Sam gets great joy out of doing this on a daily basis. Steele has no girlfriend. So Skylar comes in and goes, "Oh, who's your girlfriend?" And really makes him cry. And Skylar feels bad because he knew nothing of this. This was all Sam's doing. Oh, look and tell him about it, Sam. About your naughty behavior.
Okay.
It's messed up.
No, it's not messed up.
Sam? Kim loves to round Steele up. Oh, that's right. If you're going outside, she has to have sunblock.
Alright, wait, Scout. Let's get your seat in there.
Want her to go all the way over? Or?
What does that matter?
Okay, okay.
I'll go get your sunblock. I'm not sure how that's going to taste. It's so big. Like, will it be good, you think?
It was meant for a club. Look.
We have, like, miracle soil over here.
Look. Scarlett. She's scared.
So my mom planted my garden this year. Thank you, Grandma. Anyway, she planted these peppers, and she told me they weren't hot, and they are spicy.
Maybe she gave you the wrong one.
I'm glad I didn't cut them up for the kids.
Pretty big cucumber.
We have a good garden. It's full of weeds, but it's good.
That's all. And we still didn't get cages on our tomatoes.
Hey, actually they have these new things, and they're like bamboo sticks, and then you just tie your tomato stem around them. They look so much better, and they're so much cheaper. I would assume they're so much cheaper. I made that up, but I think they are.
Yeah, you definitely.
Sister's black eye. Oh. Say hi. Hi, everybody.
Let's go to Graziano's.
Yeah, we're going to go to the Italian grocery store.
This is not mine.
Come here. Stand up.
Throw it on the
Stand up.
Oh yeah.
Sid, at least put it where it goes.
Oh yeah.
Stand up. Come here.
Hey,
Where are you going?
Come here. Come here.
You're gonna come in here and you're gonna look. Look.
Come here. Can I go get my phone?
You see?
Go get my phone, baby.
Organized.
Come get my phone. Come get my phone. Yeah.
What, Sid?
Just shut the door.
I hate when other people put my shirts away because they just shove them in right here and I have them all organized.
I know, you just have to come back in and do it. I know. Hey, I found one of your dresses in my clothes.
Oops. Dresses.
Do you think I wear dresses? Graziano's famous Italian sausage. Yeah, if you're not from Des Moines, you're not aware of this delicious place. No, they're still good. Pink peppercorns. I do think I need some chili powder though. I need this for my hummus. Is it hot? Oh, you got your toast? You like it?
Just get the regular one.
Regular? Okay.
I'll take it for you, honey.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Walked around the lake. Wait, Bebops. Then we came back to the park. A little more. Yeah. Could I have one?
So you had a really fun day. Grandma, thank you. Going to the garden. Bug just smacked me in the eye. Okay, don't judge me. This is a really weedy garden, but it's really good. Oh, look at all those banana peppers over there. Let's get them.
Peppers over fine.
Yeah, but these too. That's what you do with these. That's what they're for.
All of them or what?
Yeah.
That one's not good.
Fried peppers and bread. Yum. We have some nail painting going on. Sydney just did hers.
My
We're about to fall.
Steele has done his. Colorful. Stella's doing hers.
nails. The purple's really.
Scout is doing hers.
There's some messed up. Someone did
Oh.
hers.
Yeah, Scout did mine.
But there's some messed up. Here's some messed up.
Yeah, they want to be like Sydney. See how much influence you have?
Nails?
Do you see?
I'm gonna do nails. Yeah.
Yummy, yummy. I'm sensing hot.
They're hot. Should I just add all the flesh and seeds?
Yeah, no. That's being saved for your spicy hot challenge later.
Stella, can open. Stella, open that. Open it. Open it. No.